Hello and welcome. My name is Maria de Souza. I am a Feldenkrais and a yoga teacher, and I focus my work on posture. Not only because good posture looks good on us, makes us feel elegant, but also because good posture keeps pain away. And I'm on a mission to save the world from slouching and relieving pain in the process. Now, today I want to talk about something that I call the pecking habit that I see a lot, and we need to start paying attention to that to prevent a chronic rounded back or a hunchback, and to prevent all the strain and pain and discomfort in the back. Now, what's the pecking habit? Chickens peck. So chickens have this movement in the neck. Now, we are not chickens, so let's not peck. I see this a lot in when I see people holding their mobile phone in front of them. There is this movement, and working a computer. People that work in radio, where the microphone is not well positioned in front of them, but is more down or in front, so people tend to move forwards with the neck, like so. Now, this is a habit that will eventually develop that hunched in the back, okay, that roundness in the back. If we do this every single time, every single day, so eventually you can see how the body is going to adapt this pattern, because we are constantly doing this movement. So the body at some point is going to be fixed in here, and one day you wake up in the morning and you realize that you can't bring the head on top of the spine and you can't lengthen your torso anymore because your body is stuck in here. This is what is called as well the forward head syndrome or habit. When the head is no longer on top of the spine, and that is because of this habit of moving the head without the help of the spine, without the contribution of the spine and the torso. Now, the body is a community of bones and muscles, and they have to work together in order to function properly. So if we have this habit of moving the head without the torso, without the spine, then that means that the body lost this connection, lost the connection between the neck and the spine. Okay, so the neck is being selfish and moving by itself without the help or the contribution of the spine or the torso. Okay, so how do we stop doing this pecking habit that creates a lot of strain in the neck, the back, all the way to your lower back, to the pelvis? Now, you stop it by first paying attention to it, noticing if you are doing this pecking movement when you go about life. So this is a daily affair. Self-care is a daily affair. We need to pay attention to what we are doing with the body. So that's why pillar number one of good posture is self-awareness. Without self-awareness, we have no idea what we are doing. But with self-awareness, we can control our movements. And why is self-awareness important? Well, if you know what you are doing, you can do wherever you want, the way you want. That's power. Okay. So, how do you stop the pecking movement with the neck? Self-awareness. If you notice you're doing that, you need to move in a different way. So how do you move? As I said, the body is a community of muscles and bones. Everything has to move together for keeping the body functioning well, to move well, to keep away from pain, and as well to look good, because let's face it, this is not a good sight. Now, you move from the hip joints. When you need to move, to lean over, forwards, wherever you're doing, you move from the hip joints. Whether you're eating or drinking or looking at your mobile, to start with, to look at the mobile phone, you don't need to bend. You can keep yourself upright. To work in a computer, you don't need to hand, you can do it upright. But if you need to move forwards, then you move from the hip joints. All right, so pay attention to what you're doing and then correct it by moving more efficiently. So this is all I wanted to do today, explain today. If you want to learn more about posture, how to keep away from pain, and how to look good and elegant, have a look at the link below for my posture master class. Next week I'll bring you an exercise to take you away from this pattern. Okay, whether you are already there or whether you are starting developing it, you need to do something right now. The more you wait, the more difficult it will be for you to come back. Okay, that's obvious. So next week I'll bring you an exercise that will help to keep the torso long, to bring back that connection between the neck and the torso. Okay. If you liked this video, if this was of immense value to you, I hope it was, give me the thumbs up and share it with your tribe. And I'll see you at a next video. Bye bye now.